Hey Tim, have you ever seen these STHD14 straps before?
Yeah, we use them basically on every single job we build.
So tell me what you're using these for, or what's the engineering purpose of these big straps?
So we've got a shear wall here, but if the shear wall is too narrow or too tall, we need a way to anchor it. I can show you.
Okay.
I'll show you what our engineer did. Stand with your feet
Close together.
close together.
Okay.
Very easy to push you over, not just because of how strong I am, but now go shoulder width apart,
Okay.
and it's a lot harder, right? Yeah. So you're just anchoring your feet down without holding.
And this is part of a portal frame, so if you zoom out, you can see I've got a big LVL header that's running all the way across the backside of this house, continuous. And then down from the header, you're gonna see that I've got some studs that are coming down to these strong ties that were embedded in the foundation. And these straps will get flapped up and nailed into these stud packs. And now this, just like our feet being anchored, is going to keep the house from bending. It's going to give it shear strength.
Yeah, we want the rectangle to stay a rectangle and not become a parallelogram.
That's right. I love it. Tim, thanks, brother. Appreciate it. And so now let's take a full wall view so you can see what's happening. Those 4 straps are placed on the outer edges of the portal frame. You can see there's an LVL header all the way across. And then once that zip system sheathing is in place and the straps are nailed up, that'll become the portal frame.